Are your iPhone photos and videos not rotating when you turn your device? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy fixes to get your photos and videos rotating properly again. Let's dive right in. Solution 1. Check Portrait Orientation Lock. Swipe down from the upper right corner of the screen to open the Control Center. Look for the lock icon with a circle around it. Portrait Orientation Lock. If it's on, tap it to turn it off. Now try rotating your device and check if the photos and videos rotate. Solution 2. Restart the Photos app. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen or double-click the Home button to open the app switcher. Find the Photos app and swipe it up to close it. After the restart your iPhone, reopen the Photos app and see if the rotation issue is fixed. Solution 3. Check for iOS updates. Open the Settings app. Scroll down, tap General, tap Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. After updating, test the rotation of photos and videos. Mostly your problem is going to be solved, but if you still have issues, try the last process. Solution 3. Reset all settings. Open the Settings app, scroll down and tap General, scroll down again and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then select Reset All Settings. Confirm by tapping Reset All Settings again. Your settings will be reset but your data won't be lost. Check if the rotate issue is fixed after this. So that's how you can fix the issue of your iPhone photos and videos not rotating. If this video helps, don't forget to hit the like button. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you soon. Thanks for watching.